Okay, so now we are going to find the degree of a polynomial. So the first focus is a monomial. A monomial is a polynomial with only one term. The degree of a monomial is the sum of the exponents of the variables. So the sum of the exponents of the variables. So let's look at a monomial. Let's look at an example. Let's say I have 6e to the power 4g cubed. And I want to know the degree of this monomial. So I would take the sum of the exponents of the variables, which means the degree would be 4 plus 3, which is 7. That means that this monomial has a degree of 7 because that is the sum of the exponents of the variables. Let's look at a polynomial. The degree of a polynomial is the degree of the monomial term with the highest degree. Let's look at an example so that you understand exactly what I mean by that. So let's write it. Say the degree of the monomial term, I'm going to say of the term with the highest degree. Okay, so let's look at an example. Let's say I have 12a to the power of 6, b to the power of 3, plus 5a to the power of 10 to the power of 10 minus 17abc. I want to find the degree of this polynomial, but before I do that, I have to find the degree to each term. So if I look at this, I know the degree to this term is the sum of its exponents, which means that this degree, or the degree to this term, is 6 plus 3, which is 9. Here, the degree to this term is the sum of the exponents, which in this case is simple, it's 10. And here the degree of this term is the sum of the exponents. Remembering, if you don't see any exponents on the variable, then there is a 1, which means the degree is 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1. So the degree for this entire polynomial is the degree of the highest term, which in this case is what? 10. This takes us right into writing polynomials in standard form. When writing polynomials in standard form, you must put them in descending order according to their degree. So highest degree first. So in this case, I'm going to rewrite it in standard. Write this down. Standard form. So the highest degree was 10, so this term comes first. 5a to the power of 10. The next highest degree was 9, so that whole term comes next. So plus 12a to the 6b cubed. Some people may be wondering why is an addition sign here, because this term is positive. And last but not least, the smallest degree was 3, so I have minus 17abc. This is minus because remember the term takes the sign right before it. So this would be this polynomial rewritten in standard form, highest degree first, and the degrees to follow.